And now, ladies and gentlemen, keep your eyes in the sky as we bring to you this year's closing exhibition from the co-presenter of the Philippine International Pyro Musical Competition, the Philippines' very own Platinum Fireworks Incorporated.
It's getting dark and we've reached the end. We've come a long way together, you and me. But I'm looking at all the colours in the sky as the sun is setting over the horizon, and I'm feeling like this is the end of an era. The end of an old era and the beginning of a new one. And that's okay. So be in the now. Feel the last touch of light as the world turns again. Sense the cold chill of the wind against your skin. Watch the lasers dancing through smoke on a stage far away. Feel the bass racing across the desert night. Tonight is tonight. And tomorrow we'll wake up and ask each other, where do we go from here?
Mga kababayan, turn up!
We will make you scream. Ganda kong nagniningning, lalo kang mapapatingin. Di ko na kailangan na magpaganda, tatong ko palang panalo na. Di ko need ng filter sa camera, naturang ganda'y bandera. Di ko kailangan sumabay pa sa uso, ako'y magiging ako na aking ginusto. I'm a cupcake, ganda ko'y sasabihin ng iba. I'm a cupcake, umaapaw ang karisma, ang tunay kong ganda sa lahat na iba. I'm a cupcake, I'm a cupcake. Sinasabi nila, ano man ang iyong gawin, talagang may masasabi sila. Sagutan mong guro at kumaway na parang may ako'y magiging ako na aking ginusto. I'm a cupcake, ganda ko'y inarapa, di magpapatinag sa sasabihin ng iba. I'm a cupcake, umaapaw ang karisma, ang tunay kong ganda sa lahat na iba. I'm a cupcake. Ikaw ay nasanayan sa di kinakalapanap, lumapit ng biglaan, para bang di nagkataon. Ito nga ba'y tadhana, pangit kong hindi sumamadala, mga pintig ng puso'y nakalaan para sa'yo. Follow your footprints in the sand, walking with you on this island, guided by the grip of your hand. I can feel you holding my world. Ano ba itong nadarama? Oh shucks, ikaw ba'y pag-ibig na? Totoo ba ang pinadama? Cause boy, it feels so good. Bawat aroma sumasaya, magmula nang nakita ka, nawawala ng pangangamba, pag-ibig kapiling na. Feels like someone I'm with you, parang islang pagkapi ko. Can't wait to go back with you.
tangkulin.
Kampanang yayanig sa bawat nilalang,
Magigising ang lupang kulang sa dilim. Ikaw ang magsasabing kaya mo to,
tulad ng isang tanglaw sa gitna ng bagyo.
Isigaw mo sa hangin, tumindig at magsilbing liwanag, liwanag sa dilim. Harapin mo, magiting ang bagong awitin.
Ikaw ang liwanag sa dilim. At sa paghamon mo sa agos ng ating kasaysayan, uukit ka ng bagong daan.
Ikaw ang aawit ng kaya mo to, isang panalangin sa gitna ng gulo.
Isigaw mo sa hangin, tumindig at magsilbing liwanag, liwanag sa dilim.
Harapin mo, magiting ang bagong awitin.
Ikaw ang liwanag sa dilim.
Liwanag sa dilim. Liwanag sa Isigaw mo sa hangin, tumindig at magsilbing
Ikaw ang liwanag sa dilim.
magiting ang bagong awitin.
Liwanag! Isigaw mo sa hangin, tumindig at magsilbing liwanag, liwanag sa dilim.
harapin mo, magiting ang bagong awitin. Ikaw ang liwanag sa dilim.
fake, easy to break. That's how I used to be. Here, take it. Now I'm awake. I'll tell you what I see. Plastic don't shine, glitter don't shine, rhinestones don't shine the way you do. You are so real, you are so rare. I see you there, I see you. I see stars, so many stars tonight. You could make diamonds dull. You are so beautiful. I see stars, you shine as bright as day. I will look out for you. We'll light each other's way. You're all stars. See, I went low, not high. That was my problem. Mine. Don't be frightened like me. The darker the night, the brighter you shine. Plastic don't shine, glitter don't shine, rhinestones don't shine the way you do. You are on fire, you can rise higher, up in the sky. Enjoy the view. I see stars, so many stars tonight. We could make diamonds dull. We are so beautiful. I see stars, we shine as bright as day. I will look out for you. We'll light each other's way. We are so real, we are so rare. We see you there, we see you. We're all stars, we're all stars. So many Minsa'y natuwa ang may likha, 7,000 pulo ang ginawa. Mga hiyas na inilatag sa malasot lang dagat. At ang bayan niyang pinili, nasa dulo ng bahaghari. Kaya't 1,000 kulay nangangakit kumakaway. Piliin mo rin ang Pilipinas, kapulo ang kwintas ng pelas. Piliin mo, yakapin mo, kayamanan niyang litas. Piliin mo ang Pilipinas. Kasayahang di mapatid, ramdam sa bawat awit. Sama sisiglang indak, mga puso'y lumilipad.
Yeah, you know what I'm talking about. Suitcase in the house, but the party's out. First choice, first love, if you ask the crowd. Come on, shout it out. Everybody's gonna dance to this. I see the whole world party in the Philippines. Now with Angelique, Quinto Bueno on the TV screen. This is like a samba, coming into Manila with the hitting and drums. Yeah, she shake it up and dance it like no more drama. And check, we're gonna choose Philippines, throwing a dot. Don't work, keep stomping, but we ain't walking. We keep on dancing, that's how we rock it. 7,107 islands of beauty, pieces of heaven.
Piliin mo